Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some update from MSI. They have just unveiled a new white version of their gaming Duke. MSI already sells gaming Duke cards in black for RTX 5070 and 5060 Ti. But now they are bringing in a white and it's only for RTX 5070. I'm going to talk about the specs, price of the card. Hopefully it will help you to decide whether should you buy or not. Now, to be clear, it's not fully white. The main shroud and fan are white, but PCB is still black. MSI usually don't change the color of PCB or even the backplate brackets. So don't expect anything too fancy, just clean white design on the outside. The Gaming Duke series is MSI most budget-friendly lineup. That means you are not getting any RGB lighting or LEDs. Just pure performance for gamers who want to save some money. MSI launching two versions of this card. One is standard model and another one is OC overclock version. Both versions actually have the same carbon copy specs, just a little bit different in clock speed. The standard model runs at 2527 MHz, but only if you enable it using MSI Center software. The OC runs slightly faster at 2572 MHz, which is about 2% faster than Nvidia's reference clock. Not a huge jump, but still a boost. If we talk about the other specs, in terms of size, the card is 32.5 cm long and it is almost a perfect 2-slot design. So it should be fit nicely in most mid-size PC cases. As for hardware inside, you are getting 6144 CUDA cores, 12GB of GDDR7 memory running on 192-bit bus. The fun fact is, this card has zero frozen feature. The fan completely stops when temperatures are relatively low, eliminating all the noise when active cooling is not needed. The fan will automatically start spinning again when the heat is on during gaming. For the full spec, I'm going to give a link in the description, and if you watch the video this far, one simple touch on the subscribe button gonna be overclocking. As for the price, MSI didn't announce the exact price yet, but it is expected to be very close to Nvidia's MSRP, that is $550. So it should be a decent option if you are looking for value, and the 5070 is the best selling card of last month, so you don't need to worry about the value for money. Personally, I think this white version is good option for white theme setup, and until now the options were limited unless you went for premium cards. Gaming Duke offers a more affordable way to match the clean aesthetic without paying for extra like RGB or high-end cooling. However, I do wish MSI had made the PCB or the backplate white too. That would have made this design feel more complete. Still, it is nice to see more budget-friendly white GPUs finally showing up. In the end, it is one of the best cards to buy in 2025. So if you have a budget, you can go for this card with your eye closed. For further research, you can watch Hardware Unbox or Gamer Nexus video. So that's it for today. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Subscribe for more GPU update like this. Thank you.